How to download and install Skip Food Delivery app. Well, it's a very simple step. You can do either in your iPhone or iPad or your Android device. Simply go to your Play Store or App Store. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type in the application name, which is Skip Food, and tap on Skip Food Delivery app. Now after you search, the application should appear right over here, but this is not available in my region, so I'm not able to see it. If you're having the same problem, to see the eligibility, simply go to your browser and simply search for the Skip Food Delivery application, and this is the application logo which you'll be seeing on your Google Play Store if it is available. Now simply tap on install icon right over here, and here it is written that this item isn't available in my country, so that's why I am unable to see it. What you have to do is simply type in the application name and tap on this logo application and tap on install. And this is how the application would look like. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.